Good morning to everyone. This is Dr. Rajkumar Arya, Associate Professor in Department of Chemical Engineering, NIT Jalandhar. Today I am going to share you a vital piece of information about International Chemical Engineering Conference 2021 to be organized by Department of Chemical Engineering, NIT Jalandhar, Punjab, India in the month of September 2021. This conference has the theme of 100 Glorious Years of Chemical Engineering and Technology. I am serving as the chairman of the conference, and organizing secretary of the conference is Dr. Anurag Kumar Tiwari. The International Chemical Engineering Conference 2021 aims to bring together academicians, scientists, researchers, and research scholars to exchange their experiences related to chemical engineering and related fields. Over the last 100 years, chemical engineering has emerged as an important discipline and expanded its horizon in each and every segment of engineering, be it production for industrial growth or for mankind. Numerous research and development activities have been conducted at macro, micro, and nanoscale levels to cut down the material and processing cost. Over the century, several allied branches of chemical engineering have emerged with great research thrust. This conference is aimed to highlight and showcase the various innovations over the last 100 years in chemical engineering and its allied branches. Researchers working in chemical engineering and all its allied branches are invited to submit their reviews and research papers. About Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, National Institute of Technology, Jalandhar, Punjab, India. Uh, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Institute of Technology was established in the year 1987 as Regional Engineering College and was given the status of National Institute of Technology by Government of India in October 17, 2002. About the Department of Chemical Engineering at NIT Jalandhar, Punjab, India. Department was established in the year 1990 and is playing a vital role in the development of chemical engineering education and research by offering BTech, MTech, and PhD program. Department has been growing over the years by faculty members who are always been exceptionally hardworking, highly dedicated to research, and committed to provide cutting edge knowledge and rigorous training to their students. Call for the papers ICHEC 2021 will be a valuable and important platform for inspiring new idea and exchanging research methods in the domain of chemical engineering and its allied branches. Topics of interest for submissions in the following areas of interest but not limited to advanced material processing, bioengineering and biomedical engineering, biochemical and biomolecular engineering, CFD and chemical engineering education challenges and development, chemical engineering fundamentals, chemical reaction engineering, chemical engineering equipment design and process design, catalysis and reaction engineering, crystallizations, controlled release of active ingredient, distillation, absorption and extractions, energy environment, energy and nuclear sciences, food engineering, green organic synthesis routes, ionic liquids, electrolyte solutions, mathematical modeling in chemical engineering, macromolecular science and engineering, membrane separation processes, nanomanufacturing, nanomaterials, new materials and structured products, physical, theoretical, and computational chemistry, particulate systems, process systems, instrumentation and control, product engineering in bioindustries, process systems, instrumentation and control, product engineering and product development, product design and innovations, particle technology, porous materials, polymers, sustainable and green technologies, separation and purification processes, thin films, hydrodynamics, and many more. Publication partners, all papers will be published in SCI Scopus proceedings. A few selected manuscripts uh, will be published as special conference issues in Chemical Engineering and Technology, International Journal of Food Engineering, Education for Chemical Engineers, Environmental Science and Pollution Research. All papers would be published as proceedings as in AIP proceedings. Keynote speakers. The keynote is first keynote speaker is Professor H. Scott Fogler, popularly known for Elements of Chemical Reaction Engineering book. He is serving as professor in College of Engineering, University of Michigan. Professor D.B. Thakkar, former director IIT Bombay, is another keynote speaker. His area of the research is reactor modeling, drug delivery, nanocomposites, polymer processing, granular flow, rheology, and surfactants. Professor T. Allen Hatton, MIT Chemical Engineering. His research interests in transport phenomena, separation processes, microemulsions, and colloids. Professor G. D. Yadav, former Vice Chancellor, ICT Bombay. His research interests in green chemistry and technology, catalytic science and engineering, nanomaterials and nanocatalysis, chemical reaction engineering, biotechnologies, energy engineering, carbon dioxide valorizations into chemicals. Professor A.B. Pandit, Vice Chancellor ICT Mumbai. His research interests in physical and chemical processing applications of cavitations phenomena, sonochemistry, experimental and CFD investigations, non-conventional energy resources, protein modifications, cell disruptions, nanomaterials, microbial fuel cells. Professor Walter G. Chapman from University of Rice. His research interest is in molecular thermodynamics of solvents, monomers, and polymers, thermodynamics and structure of complex fluids in interfacial regions, mechanism and kinetics of gas hydrates decompositions, asphaltene precipitations, and decomposition. Professor Deepak Kunjru, ex-emeritus professor, IIT Kanpur. His research areas is microstructured reactors, reaction engineering, catalysis, pyrolysis of hydrocarbons, and petroleum processing. Professor K. K. Pant, Department of Chemical Engineering, IIT Delhi. His research interests heterogeneous green catalysis, reaction kinetics, hydrocarbon conversion processes, CO2 conversion technologies, green technologies for sustainable energy and environment, biomass conversion, biofuels, renewable fuels, and chemicals, fuels from waste biomass and waste plastics, metal recovery from electronic waste, crude to chemical wastewater treatment, residue upgradations. Professor Sakamon Devastins, King Mongu's University of Technology, Thonburi, Thailand. His research areas are thermal and non-thermal processing of foods and biomaterials, development and study of novel drying technologies for heat and oxygen-sensitive materials, particulate systems and computational fluid dynamics and heat and mass transfers. Professor G. D. Boras, Aristotle University of Thessaloniki, research interest polymer science and technologies, polymer reaction engineering, mathematical modeling, membrane and coating formulations, non-equilibrium thermodynamics in polymer science, nanocomposites, and fluid mechanics. Important days. Last date for submission of the abstract is June 15, 2021. Intimation of abstracts July 15, 2021. Last date for registrations is August 15, 2021. For more details, kindly visit our website www.icheec.com or write to us icheec2021 at the rate of nitj.ac.in. Thank you.